Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Coach Ernie is going to be talking about mental toughness, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description to find Coach Ernie's Skool Community. Enjoy guys.
The very first thing that you're trying to do when you're first engaged in this, in any kind of trading, is you're trying to establish how not to lose. And that's interesting because most strategies, but most quote gurus that are out there on the interwebs are not telling you that. They're not focused on how not to lose. They're focused on how you can win. I want to win too, but keeping what I have is more important, because if I don't keep what I have, then the winning isn't going to mean shit. The goal is to start here and then keep on advancing. And their strategies, while they talk about high win rate strategies, they are antithetical to that whole idea of stair-stepping up, because you take on too much risk. And while you can stair-step up a little bit, it's also going to introduce big drawdowns because of the risk that you're taking. And that doesn't work. Stair-step works. Little incremental things with big drop-downs does not work, because those introduce all kinds of maladies in not only your statistical performance, because long-term, a high win rate has negative long-term expectancy. Mathematical proofs have shown that. The other thing is that when you draw down like that, it screws with your mentality, causes you to make bad decisions. That also screws up your ability to extract those edges. So you got to solve those problems. And this is how we solve them. By accepting market probabilities, by accepting that we're going to be going sideways most of the time, and we're absolutely skilled at that, waiting for the probabilities, taking advantage of them. Sometimes they'll come fast and furious, sometimes they won't. And that's the other hard part, is developing that mental toughness to stick with it. Sometimes you can go a long time going sideways. Other times it's every day you're going up. So if you can handle that kind of variability, then you can make money. That requires you to do another thing besides just learning the strategy, and it's developing the mental toughness. That's why I have in my program things that help you develop that mental toughness. I'm going to come up with other things. I have a program right now that is really good. It's down below, 75 hard. Follow that, and that you'll be well on your way to creating immense mental toughness. I guarantee, here's a guarantee. You go through the 75 hard program and complete it in 75 days, you will come out the other end a more capable person, better shape, probably the best shape of your life, more mental clarity, true mental toughness, and you'll want to keep on going. Your ability to trade and do anything in this world will completely be transformative. I guarantee that's what will happen. So if I'm showing you something that is free and telling you that you're going to transform your life for the better, why wouldn't you do it?
Because it's too hard.
Yeah. So is trading. You want to do something, you don't just pay for it and then it happens. You pay for getting the exposure to how to do it. And I'm telling you, I give you all the tools and everything to do it. But this is all part of the training. You got to develop that mental toughness. The way you develop the mental toughness is by making those decisions over and over and over again and doing it without fail. But for most people, that's tough. So they need to go outside of this and find another way to develop that ability. That ability translates across any kind of discipline. That's why the 75 hard program works. Even though it has nothing to do with trading, it will develop that mental toughness to allow you to make those push the button choices. But you're exactly right that it is tough. And I don't know, have you ever known anything that's really worth it to transform your life, to be a consistent, profitable trader, better in your relationships, better in your communications, better at virtually everything, including your trading, just by spending 75 days to develop that ability?
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button below. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, remember to check out the link in the description for Ernie's Skool Community.